What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to get more traffic online. Now the reason why I want to show you this is because so many people are struggling to get traffic to their websites, to their e-commerce pages, to their social media accounts, to their Facebook pages or groups, to their landing pages, sale pages, whatever. They are struggling. And the reason why they're struggling is actually not really their fault. But what I want to do today is I want to show you how to get more traffic online to whatever page you're trying to get your traffic to. So if you're ready, let's go. Now, before I show you how to get more traffic online, I first just want to let you know that if you're watching this the day that I put this video out, it's actually Cyber Monday, which means there's deals to be had. So I created a special deal with a bunch of bonuses just for you that if you want to know how to get more traffic, I have exactly what you need. It's actually called Traffic Tactics 2020. Here it is right here. This is the Cyber page. This is the Cyber Week deal right now. Okay, so you can see it right here. It's at $49. You can watch the video and come and watch all this. I'm only selling 250 copies of this for the discount. It's over 99% off. If you add up all the bonuses, it comes out to $5,482. And I'm currently selling it for only $49. Best part about it, you can read all about. Best part about it, there is a 100% money back guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't get any traffic whatsoever, and I do not help you out one bit, you can get your money back. So here it is. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link to this down in the description box below. But let's jump into the video. So how can you get more traffic? Now here's the biggest problem that I see. Everybody's trying to get traffic from, let's say, I'm just putting them down, YouTube, Instagram. Let's kind of rattle them off. There's Facebook. Okay, can't forget Facebook. Okay, there's Pinterest. Okay, I'll write it out. There you go, Pinterest. We'll just put Facebook ads, and then we'll do Google. Okay, there we go. So everyone's trying to get traffic from these different places. There's more places as well, but these are kind of the main ones. Now, here's the problem that I see everybody have is what happens when YouTube makes a change, okay? And it's all going to your site. And this site could be a YouTube page where you're trying to get more subscribers, more views. It could be an e-commerce site. It could be a Facebook group or page. The list goes on and on as to what this could be. But what happens, okay, if you're trying to get all this traffic from Instagram? Got a link over on your Instagram bio, sending people to your site. On your Facebook page, personal, business, maybe it's a group, whatever it is. Pinterest, you have a bunch of pins all pointing directly to your site. Your Facebook ad, okay? Got to put ad there. Your Facebook ads. Okay, all sending traffic to your website, and you got Google as well. Okay, what happens when Google makes a algorithm change, and instead of driving 250 visitors a day, okay, it cuts that in half to 125 a day? What happens? If you do not have all these going for you, what's going to happen is you're relying on one source. So if you are relying on one source, you're making $100 a day at 250 visitors per day. If they cut that in half, okay, in theory, you're going to make $50 a day. Can you survive on half your income? I can tell you right now, most people cannot survive if someone were to just cut their income in half. And that's a huge problem. And this is why you need more traffic. So if you want to get more traffic online, here's what you need to do. You cannot rely on just one source. And so many people do this. I see it all the time. And this is one of the reasons why I decided to put together Traffic Tactics. Traffic Tactics was actually a course that I put together back in the end of 2018, sold it all throughout 2019, and Traffic Tactics has taught a lot of people new ways to get traffic to their websites, their e-commerce pages, their social media accounts, whatever it is they're trying to get traffic to. I showed them how to do it. But the main thing that I did not do was tell them, hey, put all your eggs in one basket and rely 100% on YouTube or Google or Facebook ads, because it just doesn't work. One other thing I've seen a lot lately is Facebook decided, with ads and with just regular pages, they are going to delete a bunch of accounts. They are going to delete personal pages, business pages, groups, everything. They have, with mass authority, shut down a bunch of different Facebook business ad accounts. I had one that was shut down. I was able to get it back reopened again, but there was times where I didn't have any traffic coming from Facebook ads because one of my accounts was shut down. I was able to get it reopened, which is good. But the problem was I couldn't do anything with Facebook ads at that time. So if my whole business was relying on Facebook ads, I wasn't going to make any money. But good thing I had Google, I had Pinterest, Facebook, my Facebook group, my Instagram accounts, my YouTube channels, my YouTube ad account. I had all that stuff going for me, so I wasn't in any danger. My business was not going to go under. I was still going to make some money, and business could go on. But here's what I want you to do. If you want to get more traffic online in 2019, 2020, what you have to do, you have to focus on one main traffic source at first. I want to be 100% clear with you guys. You have to focus on one main traffic source at first. Get that traffic source up and running. So let's say you're going to do YouTube. Create like 10, 20 YouTube videos, and that's the start. That's your beginning. Once you have those 10 or 20 created, published, getting a little bit of traffic every single day, the next thing you want to do, maybe you jump into Instagram and you put up an Instagram page or an Instagram account, and you start posting every single day. And maybe you're doing 3 videos a week, a Monday, Wednesday, Friday on YouTube, and you're posting on Instagram, let's say Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So now you got something going on every single day. Well, you can still jump on to other things as well. Maybe you have a Facebook group, a private group that you're going to start posting on and adding additional value. One of the things you can do is you can send people from YouTube over to that Facebook group. You can send people from Instagram over to that Facebook group. It looks something like this. So what I would do is I'm sending all my traffic over from YouTube to a site. Maybe I change it up and I have these people follow me. Follow me over on Facebook. And I do the same thing. I put up some great pins and I have those people follow me over on Facebook. Maybe I run a Facebook ad for my Facebook group. Maybe I'm over on Google and I want to promote a specific YouTube video. Well, I can do that. I can do it on YouTube. I can do it on Google. I got options. Now, the one thing I also recommend, when somebody lands on whatever site it is, so let's say you have a landing page, you're trying to promote an affiliate link, or you're doing affiliate marketing and you have a landing page right here. One thing I recommend is start sending out emails. And inside those emails, what you want to do is you want to have people follow you on YouTube, follow your Pinterest page, follow your, I missed it, there you go, your Instagram account, and also follow you over on Facebook. So with those emails, it's just a big circle. They came from YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, maybe Pinterest or Facebook ad or even Google. They landed on your site, and now once you try to re-engage with them, talk to them a little bit more, help them a little bit better, what you're going to do is send them those emails, or you're going to work with them in a Facebook Messenger. However you can get a hold of them. Maybe it's a text message, and you loop them back around to follow you on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. You see how it works. This is how you get more traffic. One of the biggest issues I've been seeing lately is people will send people from their YouTube account straight to their website, to their landing page. They opt in, then they start sending them out emails. And that's awesome, but the problem is inside those emails, they never say how to re-engage, how to connect with them again. Maybe it's on LinkedIn. Maybe it's on Twitter. Maybe it's on TikTok. I don't care. But what you need to understand is they do. They do care about reconnecting with you, trying to connect with you on a different platform because maybe they don't use Facebook or they don't use TikTok. Well, maybe all they use is Twitter or LinkedIn or an email. If that's it. So if that's the case, let them know how they can get a hold of you, how they can ask you questions, because that's what you're there for. You're there to teach them something. You're there to help educate them. So do it. Educate them. So the last thing I just want to say when it comes to getting more traffic online is if you focus on just one platform, for example, YouTube. Once YouTube makes a change or they shut down a bunch of accounts, where does that leave you? Do you have a business left to run if they just delete your account? Same thing with Facebook, same thing with Instagram, same thing with LinkedIn. Okay, you do not own these platforms. So what happens if they decide they don't like the way you're running your business and they boot you off? Can you still run your business? If you can't, make a change today, because I guarantee you, once something like that happens, it's happened to me before. If the one thing happens like that ever in your life, you will remember, you will make that change. But I'm telling you from firsthand experience, because it's happened to me, do not rely on just one platform, because that right there is suicide for your business. So if you guys have any questions on how you can get more traffic online, you can always ask me down in the comment section below. Like I said, go and get this Traffic Tactics 2020. Go and get it while it's at only $49. And like I said, there's only 250 copies available at $400 or at $49. After that, the price is going back up to its launch, which is going to be $497. Okay, so if you want to save all that money right now, go get it. I'll put a link down in the description box below. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.